Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to the Baduans mobile ping value comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Poco F3 GT device using the Airtel SIM card. Yes, so this is my first time doing the Airtel SIM card comparison side by side regarding the Baduans mobile ping value. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of ping value while playing the Baduans mobile. Let's start the game at same time in both phones. Let's see what kind of differences we can actually expect between these devices. So this is going to be really interesting. Let me try to add the game into the game turbo, which I did forget to add. Let me try to add in the game turbo because we did add even in the OnePlus device as well. So let's keep the test even by adding into the game turbo. Yes, it's added, and right now let me hit open. Let's see friends how much ping value difference will it be there from this phone to this phone. So previously the OnePlus has got really good record in terms of the track record for the ping value. Most of the time this phone used to be kind of close to 70-50 kind of thing in terms of the ping value. Now we'll try to check one by one. Realme X1 Max, in the OnePlus Nord 2 and the Poco F3 GT, which phone has got what type of ping value. And now let me just start running. So we're saying same thing, about close to 20 milliseconds, and slightly limited to increase the brightness. 44 milliseconds we are getting, not bad. 52 and 52 milliseconds, 56 milliseconds we are getting. And in the iQOO 7 device also we'll try to see what exactly milliseconds we are getting here. 56, 48. In the iQOO 7, in the Poco F3 GT, we can actually see, this is the Poco F3 GT, you can actually see the yellow color something, as you can see in the Poco F3 GT. So let's see how much the ping value will be there in the Poco F3 GT device. So meanwhile, before the match starts, we can actually take a look at the OnePlus Nord 2, how much is the ping value, and the Poco F3 GT also. The match started, and now we'll be able to compare side by side. Let me just slightly zoom to the ping value, so you'll be able to focus exactly in the ping value only. In the Poco F3 GT, we're seeing the ping value kind of same, not bad, 48 and 48 milliseconds. As you can see, friends, same thing in between both phones. So on the top, OnePlus Nord 2, 52 milliseconds, and the bottom, Poco F3 GT, 56. As you can see, how it's varying little bit, only few. As you can see, friends, it's kind of very close. So this much close I didn't see before as well, but still, right now both phones are able to get really close in terms of the milliseconds. Exactly 656, as you can see, perfect. Wow. So using the Airtel SIM card, as you can see, using the Airtel SIM card only, let me show you exactly what is the band both phones are connected. I forgot to show you exactly what kind of band they are connected. Sorry for that. Let's go to the RX Monitor application, and both phones are connected to the same band. I think I did show you, but I forgot. I just want to show you again as well, just as a double check, so you should know what kind of both phones are connected and why we are experiencing this kind of similarities as well. That's the one thing. So let me try to quickly jump right now, and I'll try to show you what happens now. So ping value is very low. Yes, using the Airtel SIM in these both phones, no problem at all. 52 and 48 milliseconds, that's perfect ping value. So 72 we did see in the Poco F3 GT, little bit. Meanwhile in the bottom it's only 52. As you can see, friends, right now these are the values, 68 and 52 milliseconds. I'll try to just show you for the next 1 minute of time similarly like this, so now you'll be able to understand. So 92, 68, little bit better in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, so OnePlus Nord 2 till now did not cross 70. It was able to maintain under 70 only, but Poco F3 GT went up to 90 as well sometimes. So Poco F3 GT is going up to 84 as well, as you can see, friends, 84. So I think that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between ping value between both phones. Now you got a clear idea what is happening between the both phones in terms of the ping value. Slightly higher in the Poco F3 GT when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Little bit sometimes. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist for these both phones, where you can find all these videos together in one single playlist. Until then, see you friends. Meanwhile, bye.